Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Old Man in the Land of Grills. You got it. We're going to be cooking on the Z Grills tonight. You read the description. I'm going to do my version of a Juicy Lucy. And these are going to be some huge burgers, folks. We're going to put this on the Z Grill, pellet grill. We're going to get a little smoke on them, low and slow. And then we're going to cast iron sear them. Yeah, on a pellet grill. I'll tell you what, keep on watching. I'll show you the setup. But why don't you go take a look at those Juicy Lucy's. All right, let's take a look at setup. We've got the bottom grill grate off. We've got the heat deflector off, and we've got the drip tray off. And what's left is our top grate, and then we've got this cast iron grate that Z Grill sells, and it just fits right over your burn plate, and that's where you put it. And I'm just going to leave it on there. This way it'll just make it easier when I transition from low and slow to hot and fast on this. And if you're wondering, they sell this as an accessory. If you've got 19.5 inches from the back to the front, or the front to the back, however it is, this will fit your pellet grill. And it gets, I think with any pellet grill, you take the heat deflector off, then you've got direct flame coming up at this. And it gets like 700 degrees hot. So I'll tell you what, let's, we're not gonna do that first off. In fact, you know what? Even on the low, I'm gonna try a couple pieces of bacon on there while my Juicy Lucy's soak up some smoke on the top shelf there. So I'll get this fired up and give you a look-see once we get them on. All right, my version of a Juicy Lucy. So I've got 3 pounds to 80-20. I've got some diced onion in there. I've got 2 types of cheese. I've got cheddar and mozzarella. And then this is where it really gets different. Some My Ploy chili sauce, and then, tiger sauce, made from real tigers. And then I like to season on the inside as opposed to the outside. And I've got some of this Burnt Pit Barbecue Fire for Effect hot sweet heat. And check these guys out, www.burntpitbarbecue.com. Veteran-owned business, folks. I really like supporting that. So we're going to mix this all up, make sure your hands are clean, and then I'm going to make 2 huge patties. All right, I got one made up. I'm going to use the old plate trick here to keep the thickness the same. And this is super simple. I got 2 plates here, and I just take, here's my hamburger, and then I just flip this one over, and I just press it. It's like a burger press on the cheap, but the great thing about it is that it allows you to make consistently the same thickness burgers. That way they'll cook much more evenly, if that makes sense. All right, onto the grill. All right, the smoke's rolling on the Z Grills. Set at the smoke setting, which is 160. This thing does, it counts in 5-degree increments, so that could be I don't know if it's 163 that it goes 165. I don't know, but it's 165 right now. And oh man, we got some bacon down there. We put that around right away, and there's our Juicy Lucy's right there. We're gonna soak up some smoke, get them up to maybe 100 or so degrees, pull them off, set this thing to high, and then give them a quick sear. And oh man, that's gonna be good. All right, folks, about 30 minutes. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, there's our bacon, and there's our burger sitting up over there. So we're getting really close here. I'll take a temp and give you a look-see. All right, so I'm getting impatient, so I turn things up to 250. We're at 255, and our bacon is looking mighty nice. And we'll just test. Yeah, we got ways to go here. At only 90 degrees. 90 degrees in the burgers. Got another 10 degrees to go before we're gonna fire things up and give them a quick sear. All right, another 10 minutes. Our burgers, as you can see, are ready to take off. I already took off the bacon. That's perfect. And we're gonna soak up some of this bacon grease, smear it around, turn this thing up to high heat, get that smoking hot, and then give a sear to our burgers, our Juicy Lucy's. Oh man, that's gonna be awesome. All right, shall we see how hot it gets before we put our burgers on? There's our cast iron 580. A lot of 600s in there. It's hot. Get about 30 more seconds, and then we'll put them on. Give you a look-see. All right, folks, about a minute. Probably a little longer than that. Take a little look here. Oh, man. stuck over there. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That is nice. One more turn. Maybe let's see. Oh man, there's your burgers right there. Juicy Lucy's. Look at the juice right there. And I've got some pickles on there. You're wondering, Old World sweet cucumber salad. Oh man, I'll tell you what, it's got a little bit of everything in it. Oh. Folks, that's awesome. Low and slow, hot and fast, on a pellet grill. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care. Thanks for watching.